Hello! In this video I will show you how to perform hard reset through recovery mode on Motorola RAZR 2025. So you have to start by powering off your device. And now when your device is completely powered off, you have to press power button and volume down button at the same time and hold it for a few seconds. And from here you have to find recovery mode using volume buttons and then press power button to select. And when you see no command on your screen, you have to hold power button and press volume up button while holding power button. And as you can see, I'm in recovery mode, and here you have to navigate with volume buttons and select with power button. So you have to move to wipe data factory reset and then press power button to select. And now move to factory data reset and press power button again. And now select Reboot System now. And as you can see, my device is now back to its factory settings and I have to perform phone setup all over again. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.